Welcome to Cars You Can Fix. Today we're going to be replacing the front brake pads on a 2015 Hyundai Genesis 3.8. Let's get to it. Here we have 6 10mm bolts. We're going to go ahead and zip those off. Now I'm going to take a screwdriver and I'm going to try to find a spot in here where I could pry using the pad to push the pistons back into the caliper. Now that there's a little gap, now it's pressed back. Now we got to do the other side. Now usually when you have the dual side pistons, you got to get 2 screwdrivers in there like that, because then the other side will pop out when you're doing the opposite. And if you can take a chance to please like the video and subscribe, it would really help the channel out. Alright, now the pistons are pushed all the way back. Let's get these pins out. Pull those straight out. I'm going to use these wire cutters to grab onto the pin. I'm going to scoot it out. There we go. Just like that. And get the bottom one out too. And now let's remove the pads. Just pull them straight out. Just like that. Then remove your clips. If you have new clips that came with, just pull them up. They just come right out. And go ahead and brush this area off too. And give a little brush to the piston faces. And we spray it down. And these should just slide right in. They kind of just fit right in. Just like that. Alright, new clips in. Now I'm going to take a little bit of anti-seize. We're going to put it on these edges here where it's going to touch the caliper. Just both sides. Yeah, that's it, both pads. Then we're going to put a little bit on the back here too, where the pistons are going to sit. And now slide in your new pads. Make sure you put them in the right way. Pins, before you put them back in, just give them a brush. Right, so orientate the hole up so you have access to put the pin in, the set pin. Okay, so you got to push the pad down a little bit, and then it slides right in. Go ahead and put the clip. All right, pins in place. Let's do the top one. Orientate the hole up. There we go. And push down on the pad. It goes all the way in. And then the pin. All right, go ahead and get the plate. Start threading in your 10mm. And go ahead and run those down. All right, now get the car and push your brake pedal all the way down. It's gonna go to the floor. Just go ahead and keep pushing it, letting it up and push it down. And now it's solid. That brings the pads out to the rotor. Now go ahead and put your wheel back on. And we'll lightly zip them down with the gun. And then just lower it till the wheel touches the ground a little bit. And now we're going to go ahead and torque this down to 80 foot-pounds. Alright, and that's it. We're all done. This is Cars You Can Fix. Thanks for watching.